Alrighty, folks. So one of the things I'm kind of tickled about is I found this little lamp. It's so keeping with the trilogy, got to have the plant, got to have the shelf, got to have lights. So I got the plant, but it also got the lights too. So this is really pretty cool. Don't you? I love this thing. We're doing a review of this plant that I just bought that also doubles as a light. So it's really pretty cool. And it's an LED cloche with floral, CLOCHE with floral. And it's got, so I'm going to go through what we do and how to set it up and how we're going to move forward. It's got the instructions on the inside, and I know most of us being guys, well, the instructions is the last thing we look at. But in this case, I got to look at being the first thing. So I'm going to go ahead and tear this thing open. Okay. Warning, LED decor is intended for indoor use only. Try Me button is a small battery. If the LED decor comes with a Try Me button, keep it out of the reach of children. It's not a toy. It's a battery is ingested. Seek immediate medical attention. Choking hazard. Small parts and batteries can also be hazardous if swallowed. Okay. Do not attempt to open any part of the product other than to replace the batteries. Do not mix old batteries with new batteries. Do not mix alkaline with standard, which is carbon zinc, and ensure the battery's contact is clear and free of debris. Okay, standard stuff. And then if we look on the other side, so it says we've got to put in 3 AAA batteries, and it's on the bottom here. So I'm going to flip this thing over, and it's pretty easy access, it looks like. So I think, yep, it pulls open this way, and I'm going to get some batteries out. It says to remove this. It doesn't. Okay. To remove the button. I think there's a way to get underneath here. Well, I removed it, but I had to pull it out by the roots or by the wire. This way and one in this way. Okay. Then we just take this and put it back on. Okay, and it's got a timer, and it's got an on and an off switch. So let's see if we did it right. Oh my goodness, there we go. Okay, so this thing, it doesn't seem like a lot, but it's, for me, it's I kind of like it. I'm going to take this and have a special place for it. And let's get a close up of this thing. I tell you what, I am tickled pink with this thing. It's the little stuff that means the most. So I am telling you, I'd buy another one. I endorse this product, and I think it would be a good thing for you guys to purchase as well. And it runs, I think, like I said, about 21 bucks. And you can find it over there at Walmart. And so we got a shelf, we got a plant, got our light, and we got our plants over there as well. Well, there it is in all its glory. This is our first review of the equipment we are bringing in to build the state-of-the-art YouTube channel for stepping stones to your success. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. Hope it helped you. Hope you enjoy it. And we'll be bringing video number 4 to you here in just a little bit. Have a great evening. Talk to you soon.